Hello, my group today will be presenting on the topic of menstrual health as well as environmental factors that are affected by the waste created by it. This has a very big social impact, and if taken seriously, this can lead to sustainable causes and have a very positive impact on the community.
Now let's look at the alternative solutions. First would be biodegradable products which break down more easily. Second would be reusable options like menstrual cups, cloth pads and reusable underwear which requires initial investment but generate less waste over the time.
Another solution is improved waste management. Developing proper waste management system is crucial. This includes safe disposal methods, collection systems, and awareness campaigns to educate individuals about responsible disposal practices. Who is our target audience? People who are literate and are willing to educate the illiterate about women's health.
Talking about the future scopes of our project, predicting behavioral changes using machine learning, which involves analyzing patterns and factors that influence individual actions related to disposal practices and switching on or adopting of more sustainable options. These insights can inform the targeted interventions and campaigns to encourage sustainable practice and reduce the environmental impact.
The MVP, which is an online dashboard with the purpose of social and environmental impact. The link for which will be provided to you. We have directly correlated the literacy rates to the total menstrual waste generation country-wise. Then, according to the line graphs, we can see that urban areas have a higher usage of menstrual material.
The primary goal behind plotting the next few graphs was to provide information on how menstruators can reduce the environmental impacts linked to the use of menstrual products in three countries, mainly India, USA, and France. This graph is for the different end of life of the products considered in this study. The results for the 21 products evaluated and the three countries considered are summarized in this plot. Analysis thus far has examined environmental impacts for each product individually. The next few plots show women's cognition and attitude with eco-friendly menstrual products.
In this graph, we can see that people mostly use clothes or commercial pads in urban and rural areas. While in this graph, we can notice that in rural areas, the absorbents are mostly disposed by burning or by throwing away in dustbins. In urban areas, people prefer to use dustbins. So, from the above graph, we can conclude that in order to manage this waste, we encourage the appropriate authorities to install incinerators at appropriate locations.